electronic pressure monitoring as supplied. It's going to come with 6 sensors to do the outside wheels on this truck, which will be neatly packaged in protective. They'll be numbered for axle position and lettering to indicate left and right. So we'll sort that out and start fitting them to the wheels. We've laid them out in the order we're going to fit them to the vehicle. Starting with axle 1, A being left hand or curb side, and then the secondary axles. Again, A being the curb side, and then we'll just follow the letter sequence. Start with 1B as soon as we're on this side of the truck. Just remove the original valve cover. This kit is supplied with a locking nut for security purposes. We'll give you a look at that, but we're not going to use it in our application. That is the little lock nut for security if you're worried about theft or other things happening to your sensors. As I said, we're not going to worry about that. 1A, which will be the curb side, we'll come and do that one. Again, remove our protection on the valve. No lock nut, as we discussed. And all that easy. And I didn't mention on the front installs, but when we tighten our sensor, just nice and firm so it stays secure. We don't want to break anything. Just firm enough so it doesn't fall off. We're just looking for a suitable place for our display. Have a solar panel on top, which needs obviously access to some sunlight, and we want the driver to have reasonable vision. In this particular install, I think that's quite appropriate. This is out of our install kit. The lock nuts we didn't use, we talked about earlier, but there's also our double-sided tape to secure the display to the dash top. We have a bit of solvent on our rag just to clean any grime off the surface. So I'll give that a wipe. And our 3M Velcro mounting tape. Just secure that to our display. Sit it in our chosen place. And we should be ready for turn her on and have a test drive. We've just installed our display, so we'll power it up, and as soon as we start to move the vehicle, we'll register our tyre pressures. as you can see, the display will scroll through the various axles. If we had an over temperature or a pressure problem, we would get an alarm.